Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers how to create assignments using Google Documents in Google Classroom. In my previous video, I have shared how to post assignments to students in Google Classroom, and I also shared another video how students can submit assignments to teachers in Google Classroom. Link of these videos is given in the description box. Let's get started with Google Docs. Firstly, sign in into your account and open your classroom. In the classroom, open the class you want to assign the assignment. Towards the top, click on Classwork option. In the Classwork, towards the left side, click on the Create option. In the Create, select first option, Assignment. Into the assignment, type title. Next is instructions. You can type instructions for the students, or else you can skip this part as this part is optional. Next step is click on Create option. In the previous video, I shared how to attach file. In this video, I will share how to use Google Docs for assignments. Click on Create option. Here, different applications are available. Select the first one, Docs. A new Google document will be created. Towards the left side, name the document. Next step is to write questions. You can even add pictures to the assignments, and you can also type questions in the assignment. Let's type title for the assignment. Here you can apply formatting to the text, adjust alignment, format your text, and here you can type your questions for the assignment, or you can even copy and paste your question assignments. Let's type the first question for the assignment. Number 1 question. Type all your questions here. After typing the question, next step is space for answers. This is the area where students will type their answers. Similar way, I will copy and paste this answer in all the other questions. Copy and paste it. You can give space between questions. Here, assignment is created using Google Docs. Towards the left top, name of the assignment. You can rename the assignment name. This is the heading of the assignment, and here I have typed all the question of the assignment. Type question and leave space for the students. Into this area, students will type the answer or paste their answers. Google Docs gets automatically saved into your Google Drive. So there is no need to save this. After typing all your questions, you can close this Google Docs, and here you can see the assignment is created. You can open and recheck if the questions are proper or not. You can edit into the assignment. You can make changes if you want. You can add or remove question. Next step is, after typing the questions in the Google Docs, next step is towards the right side of the document, you will find one arrow option. Here 3 options are available. Students can view file, students can edit file, and third is make a copy for each student. So in this 3 options, we want the third one, make a copy for each student. Here for this assignment, we want all the students to answer differently. So a different copy for each student must be created. So this third option can be used for that purpose. So make a copy for each student. This option will create a separate copy for each student. For example, if there are 50 students in the classroom, 50 different copies will be created for the students. In a similar way, you can use students can edit file option, and this is students can view file. If you want students to only view the file, you can use this one. In this case, we want to use the third one, that is make a copy for each student. So let's select the third option. So separate copy for all the students will be created and will be sent to the students in the Google Classroom. Towards the right side, you can select the classroom. If you want, you can change the class. You can select students. Here I have selected all students. Here you can select points, or else you can keep it ungraded. You can give due date to the assignment, submission date. For example, I will select this date, 19. You can also select time, or else time option is optional. From here you can select no topic. You can create a new topic, or you can select existing topic. In this case, I want to select assignment topic. After selecting the topic, towards the right top, you can assign the assignment. That is, assignment will be posted in the Google Classroom. Second option, you can schedule it. Third is you can save it as a draft and keep. And last is you can directly delete assignment from here itself. In this case, I will use assign option to assign the assignment in the classroom. Assignment is created. So the assignment is created and posted in the Google Classroom. Let's check. Click on stream option. Here you can see a assignment is posted. Open your Google Drive. In the Google Drive, you can see the assignment you created is automatically saved in the drive. In this way, assignments can be created using Google Docs in Google Classroom. Create assignments in your Google Classroom and share with your students. This video will help you to assign assignments to the students in the class. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching.